forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No.
Hello my loves, today's video is a huge FUNKOSHOP unboxing haul. Now I ordered this about a week and a half ago, I believe, and you guys know, let's face it, when it comes to Funko Pops, I have zero self-control, like zero, zip, nothing. Okay, and I mean this just arrived yesterday and I really wanted to open this box, and I was like, no, I will wait one more day and I will do it with you guys on camera, because why not? I know you guys love this and I love this too. But before we start, can we take a moment and just appreciate my Karate Kid shirt? You guys know I have a problem with this movie. This shirt is just very special to me. I love it so much. You guys just, you don't even know. I got it from Hot Topic, by the way. This is not sponsored, but let's cut all this chit chat and open this box right on up. So, there is one Funko Pop that I have to the side. This did not come from the FUNKOSHOP. However, I will explain that story because there's a story behind it. You guys know me already and I always have a story to tell you guys. So, I'll get to that in a moment. Let's open this on up. Okay. I remember a while ago when I did a poll on my Instagram and I was like, do you guys want to see any more unboxings on my channel? Well, I surely delivered on that, guys. Whoa, what the heck? This is pretty darn cool. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I rarely order from the FUNKOSHOP unless they're having those exclusives or something like that. But I never really order on this website, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I get my Funko Pops way cheaper at like Box Lunch and Hot Topic, FYE, Walmart sometimes, rarely, because they usually have like superheroes and stuff and I'm not really into that. Where else do I get my Funko Pops? Think Sam Think, I don't know. Random places sometimes have them and you don't even expect that, but I think this is some pretty cool packaging. I just, you know, had to take a moment and appreciate that. Wow. Okay, you go down there now. Bye-bye. Okay, so, I don't know how to open this. How do you open this? Okay, we're gonna figure this out together. Do you guys usually place large orders on the FUNKOSHOP website? Or, oh dear, what am I doing? Oh, I think you pull this out. I'm always struggling in my unboxings. Okay, how the heck? Okay. I believe we do it like so. Hold on. Oh, it comes apart. So you can pull the two parts. Look, let me show you guys that. Okay, that's amazing. Now, oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. You guys don't know the struggle of me trying to find this pop. Well, this ties into the story anyway. This is the other pop that's not from the FUNKOSHOP. So what happened was, I was trying to find these two cuties for such a long time, ever since they were released. I went to Box Lunch, sold out. Hot Topic, sold out. FYE, sold out. Okay, that just fell on me. Where else? Amazon, sold out. eBay had them, but they were so pricey, and I'm like, I hate these resellers. They're always like selling things so expensive for no reason. Like, stop doing that. It takes away from the fun. And they sell a Funko Pop that's like $8.99 at Target for like $50 or more. It's like, that's so ridiculous. So I was like, I'm not overpaying for these pops. So I went on the FUNKOSHOP. They had both of them. I added them to my cart. By the time I went to go check out, Mickey disappeared from the cart. It was sold out. I was like, are you kidding me? What kind of luck do I have? So I found him on eBay for, I believe it was 13 something, free shipping on eBay, brand new in the box. Obviously it was a reseller, so you know, but I mean that still wasn't bad compared to what everybody else was selling them for. This was $11 on the FUNKOSHOP website, so that still wasn't bad either. So wait till you hear about this. I got a really good deal actually. So on the FUNKOSHOP website, I joined the Funko fan club, and they gave me a 15% off coupon off of my entire order. So I think that coupon lasted for about, I want to say 4 to 5 days, but don't quote me on that. So I was like, you know what, it's perfect. I want to make a big purchase on this website. So all of these pops, I forgot what they came up to. But I mean, I didn't really pay full value. They all came down by $1 or $2. So that was totally not bad, guys. That was an amazing steal because they were sold out everywhere else. I had to do something. And then these other pops that I got, I have been wanting for a long time as well. I don't know how many of you guys are a fan, but Shawn Mendes, guys, Shawn Mendes. I love Shawn Mendes. Like, I love him so much, you guys don't even understand. And I was trying to find this Funko Pop, and on Hot Topic's site, it says if you pre-order him, he's coming to like November. And I think same thing with Box Lunch. Once again, don't quote me on that. And then eBay and Amazon and some other site, people, oh, Mercari, people are selling him for so much money. And I'm like, if he's not like available yet, where did you people get this Funko Pop to sell it? And when I saw him on the FunkoShop website, I was like, dude, you're going in the cart. Because I was like, according to Hot Topic and Box Lunch, he's not released yet. Yet, everybody is reselling him for so much money. So maybe they bought him on the FunkoShop website too. I don't know. But I mean, I was like, I'm not passing that up. He was on my wish list, and if he's on the FunkoShop website and I have a 15% off of my entire order coupon, then I am not passing that up, guys. And guys, oh wow. Dusty, look at that, ew. So this Funko Pop, I mean, I've tried to find him forever now, and I wanted both of them, and look how funny this is. He was on the FunkoShop website. Mushu and Cricky! How cute is this? This pop is so hard for me to find, and on other websites, you guys know the prices already because resellers are no joke. And when I saw them on there, I was like, add to cart. I keep doing that lately, add to cart. I mean, you guys, I mean, can relate because I know a lot of you are like me with the shopping. It's a problem. It is. But I mean, the merch is so darn gorgeous. I mean, we can't really pass that up. Oh my god, this is pretty darn cool. Oh, wow. I'm so fascinated by this. Oh, Lotso. Wow. My brother loves Lotso. He loves him. And I was trying to find that Funko Pop for him. However, no luck. Because the resellers are selling him for so much money. I think the highest price I saw him for was like $300 or $500. Are you kidding me right now? Like, that's ridiculous, guys. So ridiculous. But this is not Lotso. It's Minnie Mouse. Isn't she so cute? I have the Mickey. He's over there somewhere. And his hands are like he's like, what am I doing? And I had to get the Minnie to go with him because he's not completed without his love. So I had to order her as well. That's so cool. I have my windows open and my neighbors are always out there arguing and doing weird things. They're like always outside. Okay, so now that was really weird. I am sorry about that, guys, but at least you can see what I'm talking about with my development. You just never know what you're gonna hear with that window open. But anyway, back to the Funko haul. So guys, I saw this Funko Pop on Target's site, and I saw all the Funko pages posting about it. So I went to the site, and of course, with my luck, all the pre-orders were sold out. So I was like, okay then. So I went to the Funko shop, of course, and bam! They had Alice! And I really needed this for my collection because who doesn't love Alice? And I'm so happy that she's in my collection now. Aww. These Funkos are so cute. Funkos will be the death of me, guys. I just can't resist. They're so addicting. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then one more Funko Pop to go. And I really wanted this Funko Pop. And here we go. It's Tinkerbell. She's adorable. I mean, why are these boxes so dusty? I have to make sure the wand and stuff is in there. Wands always break off. I mean, thankfully that did not happen to me, except for my original Hagrid, the first Hagrid that ever came out. I took him outside last year to do some photos by the pumpkins. And just like that, his wand snapped. So I tried super glue and it didn't really work. I used hot glue and it's kind of working. I mean, I don't know where he is. He's somewhere on my shelves. I don't know. I think he's at the bottom. But I mean, so far so good. But otherwise, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to take some precaution and watch what I take out of the box. I mean, I just love Funkos and they're so beautiful and detailed. I don't want them in the box because it doesn't do it justice to me anyways. I mean, I really don't like to keep anything in the box, but I mean, Tinkerbell is adorable. So honestly guys, that is it for this Funko Shop haul. What did you guys think? Did you guys go crazy like me and just splurge on Funko Pops? Or are you guys holding off? Are you guys getting anything for the New York Comic Con thing going on? And how do you guys feel about that lottery thing? Because I'm so upset. I've wanted, I'm just trying to get all my Funkos together. Yeah, I mean, I wanted Molly with the house, but the lottery thing, I didn't get an email. And I'm just like, this is ridiculous because I feel like a lot of resellers are going to get early access to that. And then the people that really want this, like us, I don't know if we're gonna get it. I'm usually really positive and I usually have a really good feeling about this, but I don't know how to feel about this because I'm just like, are we guaranteed this Funko Pop or not? And I really want Carl and Ellie. I just had a box lunch open up like really close to me, so thank God, because I used to have to drive like literally really far, almost 2 hours to get to my box lunch. That's why I barely go there honestly, because it's not close to me at all. But now there's one like 15 minutes or like a half an hour away from me. So that's still like, I mean, that's not really that far honestly if you think about it. So thank God. And then a Books A Million's right near me too. So I should be okay for 2 of the Funko Pops. That just came out really weird. But I don't know about the house. But anyway, aren't these really cute? How cool is that? And then we have Tink, but she might fall. Hold on. These are so cute. I absolutely have no idea where these are going to go. Like, I mean, originally I wanted 2 Shawn Mendes pops because I wanted to have one in my room and one on my desk where I edit. It's just a problem. But yeah, sometimes, I mean, I think I have like a double of the Fox that's flopped from last year, SDCC. And I'm trying to sell that because I ordered one because I wasn't sure if I was going to get it in the store, so we ordered one online, but we ended up going to the mall to get another Funko Pop anyway, and I just bought one there, so I don't need 2, so I'm trying to sell the other one. If you guys are interested, I will link my Mercari down below so you guys can go on there and buy him. You guys can make me an offer, whatever you want to do. And guys, let me know. Are you guys going to be getting any pops from the new releases? Are you guys interested in any pops that I got in this video? Which one was your favorite? Let me know down below. And how are you guys liking my Halloween series so far? Because I'm having such a blast doing them for you guys. It's not even funny. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notifications bell, guys. And like I said, stick around for my Halloween series because I have plenty more where that came from. And guys, it's me, so I will probably have more unboxings and shopping hauls. And with all of that said, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
It's barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.